In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share on Google Forms. Sharing your Google form is a critical step, whether you're collecting feedback, conducting surveys, or planning an event. But before we delve into the specifics, remember that you'll need a Google account to follow along. If you don't have one, it's quick and easy to sign up for free. First up, you need to get to the right place. Open your favorite web browser and navigate to Google Forms. On reaching the page, you'll see a sign in button. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, type it in, click next, then type in your password, and finally click on sign in. This step is straightforward and, like signing into any other online account, is your gateway to accessing Google's suite of services, including Google Forms. Once you're signed in, the next step is to find the Google form you wish to share. If you've recently worked on it, it should appear right on your home screen. If not, you might have to look into your folders or use the search bar. Google Forms organizes your forms neatly, so finding what you're looking for is usually pretty smooth sailing. After locating your form, you'll see a Send button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. This opens up various options for how you can share your form. For email sharing, which is one of the most direct and often used methods, look for the email icon and click on it. This brings us to the crucial part of actually inputting the email addresses of those you wish to share the form with. There's a field specifically for this purpose. Type in the email addresses here. You can add multiple addresses at once. Just make sure to separate them with commas. This feature is particularly useful if you're sending this out to a group or team. Checking for typos in the email addresses is always a good practice to ensure your form reaches everyone you intended to share it with. Finally, after you've entered all the email addresses, click on the Send button. It is as simple as that. Your form is now on its journey through the digital space to your recipients' inboxes. A few tips before we wrap up. It's good practice to include a message with your form, especially if you're sending it to a group or individuals who might not be expecting it. This helps prevent your form from being overlooked or marked as spam. Also, take a moment to review your form before sending it out. Double check that everything is in order and that you're completely satisfied with the content. And there you have it. A simple step-by-step guide on how to share a Google form via email. Remember, Google Forms is a powerful tool for gathering information, and sharing your form is key to collecting the data you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Happy form sharing.